Caregiving for patients with neurodegenerative diseases is one of the most demanding roles anyone can take on. Conditions like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and ALS often require around the clock monitoring, medication management, and emotional support. As these diseases progress, the level of care needed intensifies, placing immense emotional, physical, and financial strain on caregivers, most of whom are family members who are juggling multiple responsibilities. This is where AI becomes a lifeline. AI powered tools are stepping in to help carry the load, offering support systems that reduce burnout and improve patient outcomes. These are not just futuristic add ons, they are becoming essential parts of modern care strategies. From automating repetitive tasks to providing personalized health insights, AI enables caregivers to be more efficient, proactive, and present. The goal isn't to replace human touch, but to strengthen it with intelligent, tireless assistance.
One of the most transformative uses of AI in caregiving is in remote monitoring systems. Wearable devices equipped with AI algorithms can now track vital signs like heart rate, respiration, gait changes, and sleep patterns 24 by 7. These smart devices, often embedded in watches, rings, or even clothing, are designed to recognize early warnings signs before a crisis unfolds. Imagine a patient with early stage Parkinson's. A subtle change in walking rhythm might go unnoticed by a family member, but not by an AI system trained to detect anomalies. Caregivers are immediately alerted if a fall occurs, a patient misses their medication, or a potential seizures is detected. AI is not just reactive, it's predictive, enabling timely interventions that can drastically improve quality of life and reduce hospitalizations.
Let's talk robots. Not science fiction, but real world companions. Therapeutic robots like Paro, which mimics the appearance and behavior of a baby seal, have shown remarkable success in calming patients with dementia, reducing agitation, and promoting emotional well being. These soft AI enabled robots respond to touch and voice, create a soothing environment for those struggling with cognitive decline. Meanwhile, assistive robots are stepping in to help with mobility and physical care. Japan's Robier, for instance, is designed to safely lift and transfer patients, easing the burden on human caregivers and minimizing injury risk. These robots are particularly useful in long term care facilities or homes where physical assistance is limited. With further AI enhancements, we can expect robots that adapt to each patient's needs in real time, reacting to mood, mobility level, and even speech patterns.
Of course, integrating AI into caregiving isn't without challenges. One of the biggest concerns is privacy. These AI systems rely on massive amounts of personal health data, which raises critical questions about data security and patient consent. It's essential that developers and healthcare providers ensure this data is encrypted, anonymized, and used ethically. Then there is the issue of accessibility. Many AI driven tools are expensive or require a level of tech literacy that not all patients or caregivers possess. Lastly, while AI is incredibly efficient, it must never override human judgment. We need clear guidelines that define where AI stops and human care begins. Used responsibly, AI can enhance, not replace, the warmth, empathy, and intuition that define caregiving. And that wraps up today's episode on AI in caregiving, robots, and smart assistants. From predictive monitoring and therapeutic companions to smart assistants and mobility robots. AI is reshaping the caregiving landscape in powerful ways. It's giving caregivers more time, more insight, and ultimately more peace of mind. In our next episode, we look ahead at the future of neurodegenerative diseases research in the Gulf. We'll explore how emerging technologies, public private partnerships, and region specific challenges are shaping new frontiers in research. Stay tuned and, as always, stay curious and keep the conversation going.